This is the new SwingSmart CNX Gate Operator, and I'm going to connect a wired edge to it. It's very easy to do. We're going to plug this edge. This is just a short section of ASO safety edge. Safety edge is a normally open device, and when you crush it, it acts like a switch. It has a 10K resistor at one end to act for monitoring. So we're going to plug this in. So what you do is you just take the wires here, and it doesn't matter which one is which because the polarity doesn't matter. We're just going to plug these into sensor 1. And on sensor 1 we have 24 volts signal in common. Since this is just a switch, it doesn't require any power. We have nothing but signal in common. So we're just going to connect those right up. Let's see, that one goes in there. We'll close the gate. And we'll put this one in there. And close that gate. It was a little tug. All right, that's working. So now we need to set up the device to know that it has an edge on sensor 1. So to do that, we're going to go into the menu. We're going to navigate to where it says Programmable Inputs. Hit Select. That's the first input. Here we are, sensor 1 settings. It's currently set to not used, so we're going to change that. Hit Select. Change that to, let's do edge open. Hit Select, and it's all set up to go. So I have an eye close and an edge open. Let's open the gate. Now activate the sensor, and it reverses.